Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm your host, and I'm super excited to dive into a topic that's been absolutely blowing up lately: AI image generation and editing. This isn't just about filters anymore. We're talking about creating photorealistic images from just text, enhancing your existing photos in ways you never thought possible, replacing backgrounds with a click, and so much more. It's truly a game changer for anyone who works with visuals, whether you're a professional photographer, a social media manager, a designer, or just someone who loves to take and share pictures. This technology is rapidly changing the world, so let's get up to speed together. Think about it, you can create stunning visuals for marketing, social media, or personal use in seconds. No special software or expensive design skills needed. Whether it's boosting your social media presence, making your photography more vivid and stunning, or just improving the overall quality of your images, this is something everyone can benefit from. We're going on a huge journey today, spanning across how AI image generation is changing our lives, exploring the top AI image generators, and showing you just how they work. We'll also be deep diving into AI photo editing tools, the use of AI for headshots, and even touching on the ethical considerations. Get ready to be amazed. Let's get started. First up, let's explore the amazing world of AI image generators. These are tools that use advanced algorithms and deep learning to create images from text prompts. You literally type in a description of what you want to see, and the AI generates a unique image. It's truly mind-blowing. This is a field that has seen so many competitors and innovations introduced, and the technology keeps improving every day. Some of the biggest names in this industry include Dall-E 3 from OpenAI. If you're already familiar with the capabilities of ChatGPT, then you have a solid foundation already to understand how Dall-E 3 can generate highly realistic images based on nuanced prompts. You can also check out Midjourney, one of the top players in the artistic rendering space. While these are extremely powerful tools and some of the best text-to-image generators, you might be taken aback by the cost. However, don't worry. We'll cover everything from that, even looking at free options as well. Stable Diffusion, for example, is an open-source marvel that lets you generate detailed images, even running on relatively modest hardware. Canva's recently released AI image generator is a powerful tool, especially for social media creators, allowing for easy integration with their existing design features. Imagine being able to quickly create stunning visuals for all your social media posts or advertisements. Adobe Firefly is another game changer, particularly for those already within Adobe's ecosystem, integrating perfectly with tools like Photoshop. And if you're looking for something slightly different, Shutterstock offers a powerful image generator that's tightly integrated with their extensive library of stock photos. It's incredible the variety available, and many of these are free to use, at least initially. But we will also cover what it costs if you want to continue using those tools after exhausting free limits. Let us focus on Dall-E 3 for a moment. This is OpenAI's latest offering, and it's seriously impressive. The difference between earlier iterations of this technology and Dall-E 3 is striking. The level of detail, accuracy, and natural language processing is simply incredible. It can understand complex prompts, blend different styles, and produce images that are incredibly realistic or incredibly artistic, whichever you prefer. Now, it's important to mention that Dall-E 3 isn't exactly free. It comes as part of ChatGPT Plus subscription. But, let us be honest, the quality that this AI delivers makes it worthwhile for many users. Imagine you need a highly detailed image of a futuristic city. With Dall-E 3, you could describe it in minute detail, the architecture, the lighting, even the weather conditions, and it would give you a stunning image that you could directly use without needing Photoshop or another editing tool. This is what we're talking about here. The precision and creativity made possible via AI is going to change how we create things forever. Now, let's talk about Midjourney. This is another behemoth in the AI image generation arena. Unlike some competitors that are primarily web-based, the platform is primarily through Discord. If you're already familiar with Discord, then it will be intuitive enough. However, it's not for everyone. While some people might find Discord a bit jarring, the quality of the images that Midjourney generates is incredible, especially if you're looking for AI art. The generated images are artistic, imaginative, and have a unique style that's often described as surreal and breathtaking. Midjourney excels at translating complex prompts into visually stunning scenes, blending seemingly disparate concepts in creative and unexpected ways. Think you want to generate a whimsical illustration of a cat riding a unicorn through a galaxy of stars while wearing a tiny top hat. Midjourney would handle this prompt with ease and probably generate something truly unique. You also get multiple variations, allowing you to pick the ideal output. However, It's not free and requires a monthly subscription. So it's a good alternative if you need high-quality output that's slightly different to the mainstream. Want something that's a bit more accessible? Then you might want to check out Stable Diffusion. What makes Stable Diffusion stand out is that it has the ability to run on your home computer. It's open source, which means it's constantly being improved and adapted by a vast community of developers. And while the generated art isn't as polished as some paid competitors, it's absolutely capable of generating high-quality images, and it's constantly improving. The fact that it's free to use and open source is fantastic. It makes AI art generation accessible to almost everyone and promotes continuous development. As AI-generated content becomes more widely accepted and used, this is a huge plus. Let's face it, being able to make something impressive without having to pay for it, that's music to my ears. You also have options to tailor it to your own specific needs, and the constant development makes sure it's improving all the time. Now, let's say you've been a long-time user of Fotor, and you're looking for some alternatives, perhaps some better photo editing tools. While Fotor is a decent tool, a lot of its users are frustrated with what it offers. In 2025, many people are looking for something a bit more specialized and a bit more AI-powered. And that's exactly what we'll cover. While Fotor serves as a great generalized tool, there are some excellent alternatives that cater to specific needs. For example, Beauty Plus excels in AI-powered image enhancement and has some of the most intuitive tools to use. It offers highly sophisticated AI-based tools that can easily replace elements within an image, intelligently understand the context, and make surprisingly realistic modifications in just seconds. And with its intuitive interface, anyone can begin using it without training. Airbrush is a superb choice if your focus is primarily on portrait editing and retouching. It specializes in enhancing human subjects with impressive accuracy and finesse, a great tool for those needing professional quality portraits. Photoroom is a great option if getting the background removed from images right away is a priority. Its background removal feature is remarkable, even handling complex images such as fine hair strands with high precision. If you're looking for a broader range of enhancements and tools, UCam Enhance is worth considering. It offers upscaling, object removal, photo restoration, and even AI avatar generation, a great all-around enhancing tool. These tools offer a step up from Fotor in terms of both user-friendliness and functionality. Let's shift gears a little and talk about AI photo editing tools. These tools use artificial intelligence to enhance the quality of your photos, and they can do some pretty remarkable things. We'll start with Luminar Neo. This is a superb example of how AI can make photo editing not just faster and simpler, but a tool accessible to everyone. It offers a user-friendly interface with powerful AI features such as sky replacement, portrait enhancement, and seamless object removal. It uses a mix of AI tools and typical manual photo editing tools that allow you to generate highly realistic, high-quality edits. While some tools like Luminar Neon can be standalone, some amazing tools are available as plugins. Topaz Photo AI, for example, is a standalone marvel. It brings significant improvements to images through upscaling, noise reduction, sharpening, and deblurring. The results are often spectacular, bringing out details and clarity that you might never have thought possible. Now, if you're a user who already utilizes Adobe's Creative Cloud software, then you already have access to amazing AI-powered editing tools. Photoshop, for instance, now offers powerful generative fill capabilities. It allows you to easily add or remove elements from an image with incredibly impressive results. And even better, many of these AI photo editing tools are free to use. Lightroom, for instance, has a free version and comes standard on almost every mobile device and works just as well on a desktop computer. Adobe Firefly, while currently in beta, is free for use and provides amazing results as well, especially for users wanting to edit and enhance their images with AI. Now, let us get into something really cool. AI-generated headshots. This is where AI is revolutionizing professional needs. Getting the perfect headshot used to mean hiring a photographer, scheduling a shoot, and investing a lot of time with photo shoots. But now, with AI, you can literally create studio-quality headshots in just a few minutes. And even better, many platforms offer free options. Just upload a few images using a web application, and the AI will generate various professional-quality images that look like images taken by a professional. Some platforms like Headshot Pro provide a variety of styles from which you can choose, while other programs focus on creating hyper-realistic portraits without any need for extensive edits. Many others combine background removal and facial enhancement, making it easy to create a highly polished image, perfect for your LinkedIn profile or your company website. And some of these will allow you to get a clean, crisp headshot with simple backgrounds that do the job extremely well. Now, Before we wrap up this deep dive, let's touch on one incredibly important area: ethical and legal considerations. As incredible as AI image generation and editing tools are, it's crucial we use them responsibly. We talked about how easy it is to generate amazing images. But this also means that understanding the rights regarding copyright and the use of existing photos is imperative. Many AI models are trained on vast data sets of images, and copyright issues are complex and often evolving. Always check the legal framework in your region surrounding AI-generated content and the platform's terms and conditions. Many tools like Adobe Firefly are explicitly designed to avoid this and train their internal AI model on their own images to ensure that all the images created are copyright protected, but not all are. It's vital, therefore, to ensure that you know the rules of the jurisdictions where you are. It's also really simple to use this technology to create deepfakes or generate images that might be used unethically. So being highly conscious and ensuring we stay respectful of other creators is crucial. Most AI image generating and editing websites include tips and FAQs regarding legal and ethical usage. So make sure to review those before beginning. While the technology is often exciting, the potential for misuse is real, so making sure you understand the implications is highly important. So let's make sure that we as AI users and developers are responsible and are respectful of individuals and intellectual property. Wow, that was a lot of information. But I hope you're as excited as I am about the amazing possibilities offered through AI image generation and editing. From generating completely new images from a text description to enhancing your own images in countless ways, AI is fundamentally changing how we approach these fields. We've looked at various types of tools. Some are aimed more at art generation, others focus on photo editing and enhancement, some allow for quick edits, others provide highly sophisticated control. The best option will depend on your needs, your budget, and your level of technical expertise, but there's something here for everyone. And the best part is, a lot of these incredible tools are free to use, at least initially. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any of our future deep dives into the ever-evolving realm of AI. And don't hesitate to reach out to me online for more information and assistance with these topics. It is my pleasure and passion to share this information with all of you. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of AI.